Welcome to our channel. I am Amit. This topic is covered how to edit CB photo editing with texture. First of all, click a raw picture using on your camera. Then using the application which is editing your raw picture. I don't like any others people in my background, so I cleared them using eraser tool. Wait, I had forget telling to you. If video is interested and you'll learn for some knowledge, please like, share, comment and do subscribe, and hit the bell icon. While cleared properly, then click the trick button at right corner, bottom side. Then click bokeh. That's your choice which bokeh is need to you. Suppose I interest this hexagonal bokeh blur, then click there, and which part or don't need for bokeh, then erase that.
Please I request to you see the till end. Then follow to my Instagram and Facebook. All links are in description.
If already completed or hexagonal bokeh, then click the trick button at right corner bottom side. Then follow to relight button because this tool help to relight on your face. Then click the blur button because which part are not covered using bokeh hexagonal blur, then adjust this part. Then click the enhance tool because control the picture contrast, sharpen saturation, highlights, shadows, with brightness, and picture's temperature. While all settings are okay, press the trick button at right corner, bottom side. Then find out retouch options, and click to smooth tool. Smooth tool is help to smooth for your face. While looking like good your face, then click the trick button at right corner, bottom side. 15% photo editing. I want completed in Picsart. Let's go to open Picsart. Where is available draw tool, click there. Then choose the brush options. Then draw a black line, then click 3 dot, and click transform. With transform the dark line, then follow. To me, how did I do?